guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to cover up your acne spots or dark spots with your makeup so your skin looks flawless and beautiful. So if you'd like to learn how to achieve this look, then keep on watching. It's time to cover up these spots and look glam for tonight. Well, the first step actually is to prep your skin. You have to prep your skin for the makeups, you know. So what I am going to do obviously is to prep my skin with primer. I am going to be using the Too Faced Proactive Nourishing Hangover Replenishing Face Primer. I haven't really used this primer before actually, so I'm going to give it a try. It has coconut water, probiotic based ingredients, and skin reviver. If you want your makeup to look flawless and dewy as well, if you prefer to have dewy looking makeup like I do, because I love dewy makeup. So if you're like me and like dewy makeup, and get one it is. So yes, I'm going to start off with just a couple of pumps and apply it to my skin like so, and rub it in, you know, under the eyes as well. Get under the eyes.
2 hours later.
Next thing I'm going to use is the Clarins eye contour balm, which softens fine lines and is for all skin types. This is another product that I haven't used before. It's so amazing. I have these products, but I don't even use them. Like, what the heck is wrong with me, man? I'm just going to put just a little bit on my finger, like really tiny, just a dot, and then apply it under my eye because I have fine lines under my eyes, and the reason is because I have big eyes. So yeah, I need this. Oh, and it feels so nice. It has this cooling, okay, I feel like I put it in my eye. But it has a cool feeling to it. It's very nice. It feels very nice. So yeah, I'll just pat this in as well. Just pat. You know, I'm pretty aware that it's not everyone that uses high-end products. I've spoken to a couple of people that watch my channel, and they have asked, you know, what kind of foundation or makeup products can one use that are inexpensive. So bearing that in mind, I'm going to try my best to use products that are inexpensive. And so the foundation that I'm going to be using is the Fit Me Maybelline matte poreless foundation, and this foundation is for normal to oily skin. First, I like to shake it up a bit, you know, get it activated, whatever that means. I'm going to put it on my palette, my professional makeup palette thing. I got it from AliExpress. You don't have to buy some expensive makeup palette. Just a couple of drops because I'm like that. I don't like too much foundation on my face, although sometimes I can go a little bit overboard. I'll admit, I do that sometimes. So here's it. I am going to put my number 7 Skin Illuminator, which gives this natural looking radiance for a beautiful glow. And I love this because it really does give my skin that natural beautiful glow. If you don't have one of this, what you can do is, if you have some highlighter or some shimmering eyeshadow, maybe something like this. Okay, this I got from Kiko. This is from Kiko. If you have this, what you can do is just scrape a little, and I mean a little bit, please, a little bit. Please hear me out. I said a little bit. Scrape just a little bit, put it in your foundation, mix it all up, and you have glowy skin. You're welcome. I use only one drop. Oh my gosh. Before I start mixing anything up, I'm just going to put this to the side, and I am going to go into my NYX Cosmetics Full Coverage Concealer, lightweight, crisp free, in orange. So this is what it looks like. swirl my brush in there because, you know, I want as much product on this thing as possible, and just put them there. If you have redness, I would recommend that you use the green skin corrector. For dark spots and acne spots, I would recommend that you use the orange. If you don't have this as well, here's a tip. What you can use is orange or not brick red, but orangey red lipstick. Please don't use the matte one, otherwise when you apply your foundation on there, it's gonna be terrible. Use orange lipstick, just get a little bit with your brush and then just apply it on the problem areas and you're good to go. Don't do any swirling or wish-wash motions or anything like that. No, just dab onto the affected areas. Now for me, this is gonna take some time because I like to fully cover these areas. So I'll be back with the foundation application. Stay tuned. All right, all done. I know I look crazy and some of you might be thinking, won't this make your face look orange? No, it won't. Actually, it just blends with your foundation as you know, put on your foundation. So don't worry about that. It's not gonna make you look orange. So now that I'm done doing this, I'm just going to use the back of any brush really just to swirl my illuminator and foundation together. Just mix them up, swirl and mix, swirl and mix. I like to start with a little bit of foundation before building up. It's better to start with less than with more, because then if you start with more, you cannot really take away the more. Get it? So it's better to build it up if you feel the need to build it up. And then I go in with my fluffy foundation brush. So here I go. And what I do is I don't do that. No, don't do that, please. Push the product into your skin. And I like to go under my eyes as well, just to cover up the color corrector that I put there as well. So basically you just continue doing that until you're happy with what you have. And this is my final makeup look with smooth, even, and flawless foundation covering all my spots, not even a trace. If you'd like to see how I achieve this eyeshadow makeup look, make sure to click on the iCard somewhere in this video. Thank you. So thank you so much guys for watching this tutorial. If you enjoyed it, make sure to like, to comment, and to subscribe. Make sure to share this as well. If you'd like to see more looks like this or something that you would prefer, I don't know, whatever you want, just make sure to drop a comment down below. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye!